I'm Matthew Hyland. I'm the chef and owner of Emily. Emily is named after my wife, Emily. The whole company we call Pizza Loves Emily. We have a big wood burning oven, Pavesi RPM 120. It has great heat consistency. It's not bricks, it's a cement inside. It's got one smooth surface floor. It heats up quickly, it maintains its temperature. We just want like a really nice charred crisp on the outside, and to get that you need a nice blazing hot wood burning oven like the Pavesi. Peter and John came in and just installed it and did all the work, and it was great. We've gone on to our third location, which is now in Manhattan, the West Village. So it's been a pretty good run so far.